I don't know about you, but many of the web designers I work with are tired of being seen just as a web designer, especially if you are an agency owner or a freelancer. And it's time to unlock your true value. So, in this episode, I want to explore how to transform your agency into a strategic powerhouse. And it's a subject I've been thinking about a lot recently as there are big shifts going on in our industry, and it's something we've been talking about a lot in the agency academy I run. And so I think it's time to dive into this topic and explore how we can adapt our approach to stay competitive in the new reality that's coming. The landscape of web design agencies and freelancers is evolving, but it's not something to worry about. We're not going to have to abandon our core services. We're probably always going to still be building websites in one form or another. Instead, it's about recognizing and charging for the expertise that we're currently giving away for free. Look, there's a new generation of DIY platforms and templates that really are making the technical aspects of web design more accessible than ever before, and it's changing where our value lies. Our value lies now not in building websites, but in our strategic knowledge. It's that that's more valuable than ever. It's time that we position ourselves not just as implementers, but as strategic partners who offer both consultancy and implementation services. So let's break down why this matters and how you can go about making the most of it. Clients can get websites from many places these days. There's platforms where you can build your own websites. There's AI that does it for you. And there's a lot of cheap freelancers at the very bottom of the market that can always undercut you. But what they truly need isn't those implementation skills, but strategic insights that align their digital presence with their business goals. And this is where we excel. Our expertise, our understanding of user behavior, and our ability to see the big picture are all incredible assets that often we waste these days or just give away for free. By offering both consultancy and implementation, we're not just building websites, we're comprehensively solving business problems. And this approach allows us to charge separately for our knowledge and our technical skills, potentially increasing our overall project value by, I don't know, 20, 30% or more. To make this transition, we need to start expanding our service offerings. So alongside our existing web design and development services, we need to start offering things like digital strategy workshops where we help clients align their digital presence with their business goals, or user experience audits where we identify pain points with existing digital projects and prioritize improvements. Then there's things like performance optimization consulting, where we help things like improve website speed, SEO, or conversion rates. We can also guide our clients in choosing the right technology stacks for their needs, or empower clients through training while maintaining our role as the expert implementers. And finally, we can offer coaching and mentorship, where we help our clients develop their digital strategy skills and make informed decisions about their online presence. The key to all of this is to focus on outcomes rather than features. Instead of just selling a redesign, sell the strategy behind it and then implement that strategy. Justifying higher rates for consultancy work, especially as a freelancer who also handles the implementation, can be challenging. But there are several compelling reasons that justify those higher rates. There's the strategic value that we're bringing. Consultative work focuses on high-level strategy and business outcomes, which typically have a greater impact on the client's success than implementation alone. Consultancy also leverages our years of experience and industry knowledge, which enables us to offer insights that go beyond our technical skills. And as a consultant, we are solving complex business problems, not just delivering a product. We should also emphasize that we're selling outcomes and strategies, not just features and deliverables. And we could also package our consultancy as fixed price products distinct from our implementation work, because that helps our clients understand the unique value of our services. A lot of it, however, comes down to language. We need to position our consultancy services as strategic advisory services to differentiate them from our implementation work. By clearly communicating the distinct value of our consultancy services and focusing on the outcomes they provide, we can justify charging higher rates for that aspect of our work, even if we're the same person that's also delivering the implementation work. And this shift actually benefits everybody. For us as agencies, it increases our perceived value and allows us to charge higher rates overall, but it also builds stronger, longer lasting client relationships and diversifies our revenue stream. It provides us with an opportunity to create and charge for proprietary methodologies that others can't offer. And for our clients, it offers a comprehensive solution from strategy all the way through to implementation. Also, it leads to more effective digital presences that are aligned with business goals, and it gives them access to expert knowledge throughout the product lifecycle. This is all about offering long term value to our clients beyond immediate deliverables. So, as I wrap up this episode, I want to emphasize that this transition is about expanding our role, not changing it entirely. We're not abandoning implementation for pure consultancy. Instead, we're recognizing the full value of what we offer, both strategic insights and technical expertise. And this shift, I admit, might feel daunting, but remember, you already have the knowledge. It's just a matter of packaging and presenting it as a distinct, valuable set of services alongside your implementation work. And if you need to, start small. Maybe offer a paid strategy session before your next web project. See how that goes and build from that. If you'd like to discuss this more, then I would consider joining the Agency Academy. It's a place where we can share our experiences, ask questions, and support each other in this transition. Remember, ultimately, we're all in it together. By embracing this dual role as consultant and implementer, we have more value, we command higher rates, and we build stronger relationships with our clients.